Number 1, find the mean, median, and mode of following 5 numbers, 1, 3, 5, 5, and 8. Now, we could do this without a calculator, but I wanted to add the standard deviation to that list of things to find, and so I'm going to use a calculator and show you what effect it has on those 4 things. So the first thing we need to do, we're going to enter on the numbers into list 1, and then we're going to hit Stat, over to Calc, one variable statistics, and list 1. And that shows us our sum is 22. 22 divided by 5 gives us 4.5 for the mean. Our median is our middle number, and that's 5. And our mode is the number that occurs the most, and that's 5 as well. Now, the other thing that from doing it with the calculator that'll show us is our standard deviation, and this is 2.33. About. Part B says, now add 4 to each value and find the mean, median, and mode of the new sets. And so adding 4 would give us 5, 7, 9, 9, and 12. Now, neat thing on your calculator, what you can do to add 4 to a data set, if we've entered our list in list 1 and we want to add 4 to that, we can go up in that title into list 2 and type in list 1 plus 4 and enter, and that will give us another list of numbers that are 4 more than list 1. And so now we can rerun that command to find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. So we're going to quit, clear, hit Stat, go over to Calculate, one variable statistics. Now our values are in list 2, and hit Enter. As you can see, the mean increased by 4, so that is now 8.4. Our median is our middle number, which is 9, also increased by 4. And the mode, again, the number that occurs the most, is 9, and so that increased by 4. Yet, if we look at our standard deviation, because all the numbers increase the same amount, there's no more variance or change in the deviation of the numbers, and so that remained the same. And so our standard deviation with numbers that are 4 more than the previous data set is still 2.33. And so for part C, describe the effect of adding 4 to each value on the mean, median, and mode. Well, the mean, median, and mode all increase by 4, but the standard deviation remains the same.